Hi there, this is Patrick Devine for Ed Cawthorn's Java class. Week 4, I'm going to be showing you some code and talking a little bit about class and object. So, I followed along with the video that I found particularly simple and helpful. So what a class seems to be is a blueprint and a template for building something, for putting something into actual memory to be allocated later on, used in a program. So the class that I made here is called Aircraft. The package that it's in is how to build a menu. That is the program that this class is inside of. So here I named the class Aircraft, and down here I copied some member variables. So we have variables of an aircraft down here, and he put them in as integer and double. I'm not entirely sure what these variables down here mean, but seems that they're necessary when you're creating your class, your member variables. So this is all the class, and these curly braces let the program, these curly braces down here, let the program know that this is separate from this, that the class is separate from the object. So down here, these variables I put in cruise speed, fuel capacity, fuel burn rate, all variables of an aircraft. And up here is where I created the object. So down here, the class, the variables are not into memory yet. These get assigned to these. So the first aircraft that he put in, a Cessna 172, used the keyword new to create an instance, to create something in memory that assigns these variables and these notes. I put notes in on the side, that let you know what you're looking at. The fuel burn rate in miles per gallon, fuel capacity, gallons, some other variables you could put in there, wingspan or length of the aircraft or something like that. Now, later on, I guess these are going to get assigned some sort of values. But yeah, this is what I got, and it makes sense that this assigns the placeholder. The object is assigning a placeholder. It's in the class aircraft. The name is Cessna 172, and it equals new instance of an aircraft, a new object in the aircraft class with the parentheses and the semicolon. You could create another object that will be assigned these same variables. And the aircraft that he used in the code was called the aircraft Piper Saratoga. Same things up here. The parentheses and the semicolon. And this is where I'm at. This didn't seem like a very long video, but I tried to go over, where I'm at, what I understand and what I don't. Like I said, these particular integer and double. I'm not really sure where these I don't know if they're called class declaration. These are called variables, but the int and double. I'm not entirely sure where that comes from. Obviously, the new I understand. The keyword new is creating that memory. It's creating the Piper Saratoga, the Cessna 172, and it's assigning down here these variables. So I hope that's sufficient for my week 4 video. I'm gonna upload it right now.